In a world that often emphasizes individual achievement, the importance of teamwork and sportsmanship can sometimes be overlooked. Yet these values are not merely confined to the playing field. They are essential for navigating the complexities of life, fostering meaningful relationships, and building a better society. Teamwork, at its core, is the collaborative effort of individuals working together towards a common goal. It's about recognizing the strengths and weaknesses of each team member, leveraging individual talents, and supporting one another through challenges and setbacks. It's about understanding that the success of the team is greater than the sum of its individual parts. In the realm of sports, the importance of teamwork is paramount. From synchronized swimming to football, success often hinges on the seamless coordination and cooperation of individual players. Each member plays a crucial role, and the team's success depends on every individual fulfilling their responsibilities and supporting their team. But the lessons of teamwork extend far beyond the athletic arena. In the workplace, successful teams are built on collaboration, communication, and mutual support. In our communities, teamwork is essential for addressing social issues, overcoming challenges, and building a stronger, more cohesive society. In our personal lives, teamwork is crucial for building strong relationships, whether it's within families, friendships, or romantic partnerships. Sportsmanship, however, is not merely about winning. It's about playing fairly, respecting opponents, and celebrating both victories and defeats with grace and humility. It's about recognizing the effort and dedication of others, showing respect for the rules of the game, and upholding the values of integrity and fair play. True sportsmanship extends beyond the playing field. It's about treating others with respect, even in the face of competition. It's about acknowledging the strengths of others, celebrating their successes, and offering support during times of adversity. It's about recognizing that everyone deserves to be treated with dignity and respect, regardless of their background, abilities, or achievements. In a world that often emphasizes individualism and competition, cultivating a spirit of teamwork and sportsmanship is more crucial than ever before. It fosters empathy, compassion, and a sense of community. It teaches us the importance of collaboration, cooperation, and mutual support. It reminds us that we are stronger together, that we can achieve greater things when we work together towards a common goal. By embracing the values of teamwork and sportsmanship, we can create a more just, equitable, and compassionate society. We can build stronger communities, foster deeper human connections, and create a world where everyone feels valued, respected, and included. Let us choose to embrace the power of teamwork, to cultivate a spirit of sportsmanship, and to strive for a world where cooperation, collaboration, and mutual respect are the cornerstones of human interaction. Thank you.